listeners are familiar with social media marketing. But really, how can social media marketing help your industry? With bigger firms and stuff. So you have to define your niche.
So what we want to achieve dito sa AI industry is what we call an unsupervised learning, where the AI itself will now evolve to a form na siya na naghahanap ng sarili ng data.
Question is, if you use AI tools to generate design elements, who owns the intellectual property? Kapag purely sa'yo nang galing yung mga images, so hindi mo siya i-consider na diminis, kundi sa'yo talaga yung mga image na pinagsama-sama. Medyo unethical kung pag-rely ka ng purely sa AI. Pero pinapractice din natin yung ano responsibility natin as artists community.